Hello friends, good morning to all. Today we are going to see the next population indices in practical in human geography. As we know that there are various population indices which are used for practical purposes, and out of these population growth rate is one indices which is used for the practical purposes. So let us see what exactly population growth rate means and how we have to show with the help of graph. This is one important indices so far population indices are concerned, and actually the population growth rate is the rate at which the number of individual in a population increases in a given time period, expressed as a fraction of the initial population. Means suppose in 2001 what was the population of Maharashtra, and in 2021 what is the population of Maharashtra. So that difference, or that is expressed in a fraction of initial population, that is called as population growth rate. Specifically, population growth rate refers to the change in the population over a unit time period, often expressed as a percentage of the number of individuals in a population at the beginning of that period. In 2001, whatever the population was there, and in 2021 what is the today's population, that how much percentage of the population get increased as compared to 2001, that is called as population growth rate. So let us see which is the formula to calculate the population growth rate. It is very simple and easy formula so far. What is the present population, means today's population, and we have to minus the past population from the present population, and at the same time we have to divide it by the past population, and for that we have to for the all figures we have to multiply it by 100, because we have to calculate in the percentage, and again we have to divide it by the 10. 10 means the period. Suppose in 2001 there was the population, that is 2,80,000, that is present population, and in the past in 2001 that is 2,50,000. We have to divide by past population, that is 2,50,000, and again for this all we have to multiply by it by 100, because we have to show it in the percentage, and in the last we have to divide it by 10, that is period of 10 years. And if we want to calculate it for 15, then we have to divide it by 15, then for 20 we have to divide it by 20, 25 likewise. Okay, so it is very simple formula: present population minus past population divided by past population multiplied by 100, and for all we have to divide it by period. Period means it may be 10, 15 and 25 or whatever. Okay, so here is just for understanding I just put some figures. 2,80,000 divided minus by 2,50,000. Again I have divided it by 2,50,000, that is past population, and multiplied it by 100 and divided it by 10. So 30,000 divided by 2,50,000 into 100 divided by 10. PR, that is population growth rate, 12 by 10, that is PR is equal to in percent 1.2%. So that is the very simple and easy formula so for the calculation of population growth rate. Let us see how we can calculate population growth rate if whenever there is a data. So this is the rank from world to the various countries. World's population in 1990, that is in figures. Population in 2010, that is in figures, it is given. So similarly here is population of China, India, United States, Indonesia, Brazil, Pakistan, Nigeria, Bangladesh, Russia and Japan. So these are the figures or values of population in particular years in 1990 and in 2010. So how much difference or how much increase is there during these 20 years we have to calculate. So using this formula we can simply calculate with the help of data. So world's population in 19,000, I have put the values in population 2000 values. I just minus present past population from present population. This is past population P2 and present population P1. Which is past population? This is past population. Past population. I have minused it from present population. 6,80,000, whatever the values are there, you can put here in the P1 minus P2. Again, this next column is P1 minus P2 divided by P2. Whatever the value of I got over here, I just put in this column and I divide it by the value by P2. Again, next column is P1 minus P2. Whatever the value I received here, I just multiplied it by 100. 6,357.85. So I multiplied it by 100. 6,35,785.6. Again, I have to divide it by 10. So I just divide by 10. 63,578 by 50. Similar, in the same way, I have to calculate all these values and put into the into the column. Okay, so in a simple way we can put these values and we can calculate the values of each state or each country and as well as world. And I just put the values considering lowest value as well as highest value. So whenever I have to put these all values in the graph, I have to consider the value of lowest value as well as I have to consider the highest value, so that I can show all the figures. So for that I put all variable value over here in the y-axis, on the y-axis, and I put constant value on the x-axis. X-axis means whatever the years are there. So 10 years. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So I just put all the values in the x column, x axis, and on the y-axis there is a percentage. So I just put it into the Excel format and I get this graph. So this is the way by which we can calculate the population growth rate. So this is all about the population growth rate. Today we stop here. Thank you very much.